So I welcome all of you students for this quick review on how to get an acceptable score of 120 marks in a NEET 2019 by putting minimum effort in chemistry. So this is an idea and a concept that has come out of my last 34 years study in this world of competitions. If I carefully observe the NEET exam and its pattern and the scope of the questions, I have arrived at just 18 fundamental topics, the study of which can assure you definitely 120 marks. And now, the first topic I would suggest you to go through is the basic concepts in chemistry about mole concept, mass percentage of elements in a given compound, eudeometry, the method of finding the molecular formula of a compound by measuring the volumes of gases, and then of course basic laws of chemical combinations, simple problems on stoichiometry, problems related to oxidation states, balancing redox reactions. That's all. All these ideas, if you are having, definitely you will get 1 mark. You should study this topic, basic concepts in chemistry, thoroughly. States of matter, you should study a little bit about intermolecular forces that operate between different molecules in gas, solid, liquid, gas laws and the related graphs, Graham's law, Dalton's law especially. RMS, average most probable velocities, related concepts, kinetic energy, liquefaction of gases, compressibility factor, reasons for deviation from ideality in the case of real gases, van der Waals constants A and B. If you have a fair idea of all these and if you are able to solve simple numerical problems, you can expect 1 question. Atomic structure, you need to master energy concept of electron in different possible orbits and the atomic spectra related ideas, the ways and means to find the radii of both orbits, and some fundamental ideas related to dual nature of light, photoelectric effect. Then of course, Bohr's theory you should have a thorough idea. Then you will be talking a little bit about concept of orbitals, Schrodinger relation, quantum numbers, de Broglie and Heisenberg concepts, and electronic configurations. If you are thorough with these ideas, you can expect 1 question. In chemical bonding, you can look at Vesper theory, molecular orbital energy level diagram, shapes of molecules and finding hybridization and number of lone pairs on the central atom. And then of course the hydrogen bonding, Fajan's rules. If you are thorough with these ideas, you expect 2 questions in NEET 2019. Periodic table, you should know ionization energy, first, second, third, fourth, so on. The graphs and diagonal relationship, inert pair effect, how the trends are existing in periodic table. If you know this, you can expect 1 more question. Your ability to answer 1 more question rests on your thorough understanding of the above ideas. The thermodynamics, heats of reactions, and then from that standard heats of formation will be given. You should calculate the heat of reactions, mathematical relation of first law of thermodynamics, enthalpy and internal energy change concepts and their relations, entropy, Gibbs free energy function, and the criteria of product formation. If you know this, you can expect 1 more question. Simple problems on entropy also you should be able to do. Chemical and ionic equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium, Le principle. Ionic equilibrium, you should know about the simple acid-base theories, problems on pH. Especially you can expect a question either on buffer or on salt hydrolysis. Solubility product common ion effect. If you know this, you can expect 3 questions in NEET 2019. Hydrogen compounds is one of the easiest topics. You should know all the possible reactions of hydrogen peroxide and about hydrides, difference between H2O and D2O, structure of hydrogen peroxide and water. If you know these fundamental ideas and the uses of H2O2, you can expect to answer 1 question. S-block elements is one of the easiest topics you can have, that is flame test, biological significance of sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, reactions of these elements with ammonia, and the general trends. Solve process, cement, gypsum, plaster of Paris. If you know this, you expect to answer 1 question. Metallurgy is one of the easiest topics in 2 years chemistry. And Ellingham diagrams, you should have a thorough knowledge in addition to these headings. Solutions, of course, you can expect a question most probably on Van 't Hoff factor and osmotic pressure. But of course, you should know about methods of expressing concentration of solutions, their interrelations, Raoult's law, colligative properties. 13th, 14th group elements, P block elements, if you know whatever that is given in the textbook about them, expect one question. Solid state is one very important and easy ideas. 7 crystal systems. How to find the formula from the given data of a given solid. Frankel Schottky defects, non-stoichiometric compounds. That's all. General organic chemistry, if you feel too hard, you can skip it, but you can expect one question. Oxygen containing organic compounds, namely alcohols, ethers, aldehydes, ketones, of course phenols included, carboxylic acids, nitrogen containing compounds, amines, etc. If you know, you definitely can expect 6 questions from this. Coordination chemistry is one of the major topics in inorganic chemistry, which fetches you 3 questions. Biomolecules is very easy for biology students, you can expect 1 question. Chemistry in action, that is related to application of chemistry, last chapter in chemistry in second year, 12th class, you can expect 1 question from that. Total, this accounts for 30 questions, short, 120 marks you get. Now, today itself I am planning to start by uploading the oxygen containing compounds, and if you follow my YouTube lectures and if you can put your doubts time to time, and just within 15 days you will be surprised to see that you will walk out as a happy person with a short 120 marks in chemistry. And overall, if you want to get a seat in medicine, I feel that you should get 330 marks in biology and 120 marks in chemistry, minimum of 80 marks in physics. If we can increase this, that is well and good. This put together makes 530. 530 is a short medical seat. We will also upload how to get 330 in biology and 80 in physics in time to come. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best. God bless you.